Dak jingthmu ban Iakhun Pyrshah u Drok u jingdih pynbuaid u sniew bat bashyrkhei bat kumjuru na kapenta ka jingthmu ban pynlong ya ka thaiñ Shatei Lam Mihngi ka balait na u Drok ka North Eastern Regional Youth Commission harengkat ka jingiatreilang bat ka Indian Catholic Youth Movement North East bat ka Nongstoiñ Diocese Catholic Youth Movement mentaka sngi kila yo ban Pyllait Paidbah ka project ka balatip kum ka reducing drug use among children ha ka thaiñ Nongstoiñ. Ya kani ka project lawan ban Pyllait Paidbah du MLA MDC ka Nongstoiñ uba Gabriel Wahlang kumu kongsan harangkat ka jingiatreilang uba C.P Mawkon ADC kumu sembut kongsan kibala yo ru ban Pyllait Paidbah ya kate ka project bat kiba ai jingkran ru halor kate ka phang ya kate ka jingalang ka balalong hapo Bishop Hall Nongstoiñ nalor ki kongsan ladan rangkat lang ru u Father John Albert Ryntathiang DYD Father John Berman Regional Youth Director Father Director NSSS Father James Anderson Syiemlieh, Financial Administrator, Diocese Nongstoiñ, Sister Wansuk Lyngdoh, Regional Youth Lady Animator, Iakhun School, kinong hikai bat kiwei. Hakani ka sniew kladan ru ka jingalang ai jingpenshai si Iakhun School, halor ka jingma bat ka jing sniew kiba mi na ka jingdih ya Drok, bat ka jing hikai ba kumnu ban kiar na ute u jingdih pynbuaid ba sniew, laki riu shampang jong ka tanat ka kwat ka kia bat na ka tanat pulit.
Known about one very important thing that is alarming us today, and that is to be noted by each one of us. You know, today you look at the world outside, what's happening? Everyone is, or the society is infested with this evil element called drugs. And that's the reason Neryc, the North Eastern Regional Youth Commission, in collaboration with the Indian Catholic Youth Movement Northeast and also the Nongstoiñ Diocese Catholic Youth Movement, thought of coming up with a program of this sort. Neryc is a commission that takes care of 15 dioceses in Northeast India, 15 Catholic dioceses. You know, if you look at the Catholic Church in India, we have 14 regions. And 132 dioceses make 14 regions. So Northeast is one of the regions. And today when we look at Northeast, it's so much even protruding with this very infest called drug addiction or substance abuse. And so we are so happy that at least you could get this awareness program. And we had two resource persons today, Dr. Isabella and also police officer, to make you know what's happening and what we need to do, as well as part of this preventive measure, we have taken this step. And of course, step by step. And I'm thankful that our own young people have come up because they know what's happening. And to curb this alarm, they have really thought and finally put in paper. And now from the paper, it has come to implementation part. So I thank the young people. And you are going to be the future of our state, our country. So you need to take this very, very important step to say no to drugs and make our Northeast a drug-free zone. So I thank the young people and also of Nongstoiñ Diocese who have taken this responsibility in collaboration with both the Commission as well as the Indian Catholic Youth Movement Northeast. So I say hats off to you for shouldering this, and also dear Sir Gabriel and also dear Sir Clement, thank you for sparing this very moment to stir the young people so that tomorrow you will say, yes, I have been able to be made aware. And thus today, if I'm having a hope, it's a hope for drug-free zone.
Selamat yang lagi hidup. Kita duduk pada sekolah, kita duduk pada kelas, kita duduk paralel, kita duduk yang begini bersama. Kalau nak bikwa banduk ikni baru, di bejumpa. Kalau nak bikwa banduk bayin pasang, kita paralel, bikwa banduk kelas, bikwa banduk yokang, bikwa banduk ini kalau lawai bikwa pernai. Skak, iskor to skak, ikmat to katno. Kenapa pinum kuat begini untuk kita tahu? Kata kita kuat, kabangi parok kita nami kuat atau jompi, bangi ni balai. Nanti tu pinang di sikrat kan fungsi ngadwai banget aku ingat kami sikrat. Nalai ingat sistem nalai tarik. Langsung bayar. Sahadin sistem nadi dia. Nanta hadin sipnai ngadwai mulai ngopera nalai ingat hadin sipnai nadi dia. Batakin sikrat tu kata kajinya. Sakut terus risau kau Drok selain nanti shoot kerja. Kalau fungsi kalau begini watahan yang Nongstoiñ bagi spangut Ibalas dan mak dia udah Drok. Kata aku nambah injection, nambah dawai, nanti dionai. Tendai kalau berjima atau kerau, kamtan lebih. Baik pertai mentah kalau pertai ketika infusitif, mak aktif lot. Kuapan mentip, kuapan mat. Tan sisin na try lah biang teman mentip udah kuno. Harga jingku asisin, kapan perai arsin. Belada arsin ke Wansuk Lyngdoh, dia hantar. Ter. Setelah ter, laku lah. Wat air pakai jingkut, kan mau berkeloi. Khatam lagi berat putrai kan mai kena sama. Hawa bidang sama dari kapor kepada kemen, kapor kepada don kalawai berjoi, kapor mensyangkai keberokoi kepertai dengan akti. Kampadai kapor makin sino, ya jingimlade, bansyono hari hak sentar. Bangsa tahu Drok sekarang nomor berapa? Saya pun sama kiri yang motor kali itu pulau Bundo kantor kadar. Kantor kadar orang mereka Bundo boy. Ngatrai kalau mau pergi loh. Lalu mentah kalau hero akhiran di pangkal Drok nampak jui. Hari ini jingmi orang Drok tengah tiba. Yang orang berkredit. Berkelat pada hikmah par. Itu lagi Drok sedikit. Ngapai tak kita mesti Drok sampai Philadelphia. Kita mesti Drok ubah kidi maki syutia punya surat. Sampai kaya punya itu baru lupa London. Oh, dah ada fitnah doi, apa namanya? Ramai ramai tak ini orang Drok di Philadelphia. Bon, sarapai. Kata bila kuat abang lagi tu untuk mayat kubet dengan kubet. Nah tapi apa yang lah? Dia yang kuat apa? Tak lagi urusan sama. Dia buat. Enak. Dan narai itu kan weu bapa banyak keluar. Nara pynbuaid banyak keluar. Pelajnya lagi nak ini kita sniew. Hantam no Drok. Salah standi, sistem baladi lait online. Ini terlihat. Nak tak no bang lait no Drok bashyrkhei. Walaupun sniew mulai tanya kecingim lajong. Dan mereka kecingim jadi parok di parjor, kibahin di basan. Nah, sekarang nama kecing wan kejumpi, nama Ndcym ya ke Wahlang diru, ya ke organizer, baga jingtrai sistem jumpi ban lait yang nak berak lagi kerja jingirku, kebawan nama ya kene ke association, baga jingirku, baga jo ke jingirku mulai kan nama pi, baga pinang kiu seprang, agak kot, pinang kiu seprang agak yukam dia jam, baga kino kitong kiba kidon nak kecingin. Kumulai sistem.